Here we will demonstrate how to disassemble your Golden Technologies Buzzaround scooter. First, make sure the scooter is powered off by turning the key counterclockwise in the ignition. Then, remove the seat by folding the backrest downwards and lifting upwards from the bottom of the seat pan. Next, remove the battery pack by lifting upwards on the handle. For models with split battery packs, both will need to be removed. Last, pull upwards on the lever on the rear portion of the scooter. This will allow you to unlock and separate the front and rear portions. For more compact traveling, the tiller can be adjusted to a near flat position. On standard models, do this by adjusting the knob at the base of the tiller. On upgraded models, pull the lever just under the handlebar and adjust the tiller downwards. Once your Buzzaround scooter is fully disassembled, it will be in either 4 or 5 pieces.